What's going on, guys? It's Alexa back with another video, and today I'm very excited to bring you my very first sponsored video by ProClipUSA. As you guys can see, I'm wearing their shirt that they sent me. ProClipUSA specializes in mounting phone clips to all different types of vehicles, mounting any type of device, whatever you may have that could possibly be mounted in your car, they have a clip for it. So thankfully, ProClip had a chance to actually look at some of my videos. They noticed that I had a 2010 Camaro SS, so they reached out to me and found out that I have this type of dash setup, and they wanted to know if I would be able to review one of their products, and I most happily obliged, and here I am today with their product. I'll be sure to leave their link in the video and in the description box. They sent me a lovely care package. Like I said, they included a t-shirt, which I thanked them for generously. They also sent me a nice little thank you card that was handwritten by one of the directors, so I really appreciate that. Thank you so much to Cody. It seems even more personal that way. So in this video, of course, I'm gonna show you guys how to install the ProClip that I have, or the phone mount for my iPhone 6. Here's my iPhone right here. I do have a little bit of a case on it, so I am gonna see if it does fit with a small case already on the phone. As you guys can see, it's not too thick, but I'm just gonna find out. So like I said, this is an iPhone 6, but as I stated before, ProClip makes phone mounts and device mounts for any type of phone, or they make a mount for any type of car or truck that you may have. So if you're worried about something fitting, I promise you they probably make something for it. So please check out their website. So what they sent me in the package was, as I said, the thank you card, the t-shirt, and I have 2 sets of mounting clips and devices. So these are 2 separate parts here. Here's the second part that'll actually hold the phone itself. And here's an important set of instructions. So it does say to make sure you clip on the fitting mount first onto your dashboard before you move on and attach the phone holder or device holder itself, so that way you won't accidentally misplace anything. So thankfully, each mount comes with a set of picture instructions as well. Everyone likes to see what they're doing instead of reading about what they're doing. So here they installed some instructions, and I'm going to follow these. So all you really need is a Phillips head screwdriver, and they give you a prying mount, so that way you can pry open a little space between your vent and the actual frame of the console. So let's go ahead and get that done. Alright guys, so here's step 1. This is the mount that attaches to the vent clip of the frame. So as you guys can see, it snugly tucks in between this little panel right here, which is why they included a little prying mount, and in between this panel right here. And just to make sure this doesn't go anywhere, it even includes adhesive frames. So right here, where these blue areas are, these are little adhesive strips just to make sure that your mount stays in place. So you do have that option. I'm actually just gonna go ahead and leave these on because I just now realized that these were adhesive strips. I'm pretty confident that this is not going anywhere whatsoever. So I'm just gonna go ahead and leave those on, and I kind of like the way the blue tape looks, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave those on, and then I'm gonna install the second piece. Alright guys, so here's a picture of the second piece setup. So I'm gonna go ahead and perform this step. Doesn't look too complicated, but it tells you everything that you need to do step by step. Alright, so these are the screws that they give you that you can fit into the mounting bracket right here. So you screw in all 4 corners. Right now I'm just doing the diagonal corners at a time, and then I'll slowly tighten them. And then once all of these are in the position that I want them to be in, I'll go ahead and reattach this device right here. As you guys see, it has a little loose screw in the middle. That's this screw right there, and we just tighten that down once we have everything screwed into its position. So please be sure to do this first before you actually mount your phone, because I'm going to mount my phone after I get everything set in place the way I want it. So right now I'm just tightening down my screws. I have them in all 4 corners. I'm just making sure they're nice and snug. Pretty sure this mount isn't going anywhere. All done. So now I can attach the mounting bracket here. So my mounting bracket has been attached. I'm just gonna make sure this screw is nice and tight as well. There we go. So now I'm just gonna unscrew these 2, and it will actually separate the arms, so that way whatever width my phone is at, it'll be able to just easily slide into place. As you guys can see, most likely from the case that I have, it's not wide enough, so I'm just gonna loosen these, open up the arms a little bit more, and that way I can be able to slide my phone in and out. So as I unscrewed these, I made sure not to remove them. All I needed to do was loosen them so that way I can slide the ends out like this. So that way I can adjust to the width of my phone. All right, awesome. So my screws have been adjusted. Just gonna tighten these down as well. And then I can go ahead and slide my phone, check the fitment. Yep, and just like I thought, it's a nice snug fit. It's not like it's gonna fall past here, because luckily there's enough grip between everything. So I'm just doing some test hits to make sure this doesn't go anywhere, and this is a pretty sturdy device. I'm shaking it, it's not going anywhere, so I feel very safe and secure about this. So that way if I need to look at my GPS if I'm going anywhere, or if I need to answer a phone call, and that way I can just drive hands-free, then this is a nice little device where everything's just right here at my disposal. So I really enjoyed this. Wow, this is a really snug fit, and I really have to pull to get my phone out of here. And the good thing is this swivels, so if I ever need to adjust the phone position, I can just have it in here, and I can swivel it up, swivel it down, swivel it that way, so that way it's at the perfect angle for me. So this is a very sturdy product, I have to say. It looks great. Didn't take too long to install. Like I said, they give you the 4 screws that you need, and also the prying tool. Here's the prying tool right here to help separate your space between your vent and the frame. So once you have your Phillips head screwdriver, that's pretty much it, and you're done with the installation. But I really like it, and like I said, it didn't take long to install, and it's a very snug fit, so my phone isn't going anywhere no matter how crazy I drive. So thank you once again to ProClipUSA. I really appreciate you guys sponsoring the channel. Like I said, this is my first sponsorship on my channel, so I'm really excited for that. They were even nice enough to send me a few stickers that I can put on my car somewhere, so definitely gonna find a place for some of these. And I really appreciated everything that you guys gave me, between the t-shirt, the thank you card, the stickers. These instructions are very clear what you need to do, so they're very helpful. Even if for some reason you guys didn't think I explained it well enough, they have instructions for you. So like I said, it will fit any mobile device you guys have. It will fit many other devices as well, not just cell phones. So please be sure to check out their website at ProClipUSA.com. Like I said, I'll leave all their information in the description box below, and of course it's in the video right here as well. They reached out to me on Instagram, so be sure to follow on their Instagram as well. But yeah, I really enjoy it, and this is gonna make driving around and using my GPS or my phone for whatever a lot easier. So the phone is right here at my disposal, and it won't fall. I can't lose it. So really excited to start using this. But thank you guys again. I really appreciate you for sponsoring this video. So a huge shout out to ProClipUSA. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit it with a like, and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content. I post twice a week, so there's always something cool for you to watch. So please be sure to stay tuned, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.